Welcome to the club, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Let's grab a marker or pencil. We're going to get started in the center page with the inside edge of the brow. So let's leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this in and then up towards the top. Let's line up the bottom over on the right and do the same thing, just coming in towards the same height. Now right here, we're just going to draw some fur across the top of the brow. So we're going to step down, bend this up and then out. Now whatever we do on the left, we're going to mirror over on the right side. So let's add a point, coming down. Bend this all the way across, and then again just adding a small point. Now it's going to work our way down towards the side. So bend this out and then down. Let's add one more point. Now we're going to bend this down and then out towards the bottom of the brow. Let's add a fold, coming in and then up. Now halfway along this curve, I'm just going to bend this down and then pull that up towards the inside of the brow. Go back to the inside. We're going to add a fold underneath the eye, coming down and then out. Let's move to the center and draw a circle for the nose. Start from the very top of the middle, go all the way around. And then on either side, we're going to add two curves for the nostrils. Underneath the nose, we're going to start on the left side, draw the mouth, coming down and then up. Just going to round up the corner of the mouth, and then bend that down towards the end. Just going to add a bracket on the ends. Let's go back to the inside. We're going to add two teeth on the left and then two on the right side. Now we're going to move down in the center, add a curve for the lower lip. Let's go to the side of the nose. We're going to add a trim. We're going to bend this up, go around the corner of the mouth, bend this in, do the same thing on the right, going around the corner and then in. Let's bring this down in the center, go up and then out towards the right side. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top in the center. Let's add a point. Let's draw a thick brow. We're going to go up, come around the side of the eyebrow, and then bend that out towards the end. And do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's add a point. Bend this down and in. Let's add a longer point, going all the way out. Let's come down and then bend that in towards the side. Now we're going to move over, add a fold, coming down and then in underneath the jaw. Let's go all the way up to the top. We're going to add that bump for the hair. Start on the left side. We're going to go up in the middle, round this out, and then bring that down. We want to add some texture across the bottom. Starting in the center, let's brush this up and then out toward the left, and then the right. Now we move over, just add a few more curves on either side. Let's move over towards the side of the head. We're going to draw the ears, bend this down and out, round at the ear, and then bend that back in. Let's add a fold across the top from here, bend this in, down, and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down in the center. Let's draw the side of the knot of the tie with two curves. Round at the bottom. From the bottom corners of the knot, bend the tie coming down and then out. Round at the side and then bend that back up and then in underneath the head. And then going back up to the top of the knot, we're going to draw a point coming down and then up for the collar. Now with the arms, I want to bend this in towards the body. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this out, round at the elbow, and then pull that in. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Round at the elbow and bend that in. From the wrist, bend this down and up across the palm. And we'll curl the finger underneath. So we're going to step over, round this out, and then bend that out, step up, curl the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way across the top of the forearm, and then down. Let's go back to this point in the palm, curl the cuff coming around and up toward the top, move over and draw that again. Let's add a patch across the back of the hand, up here, bend this in, and then back out. Now, let's go underneath the bow tie, draw two straight lines coming down. We're going to move over, draw the side of the body, going up and then in with a short line. Let's add a carnation on the right side with a series of curves going all the way around. And then we're going to move out and draw the collar of the jacket, bend this down and in towards the hands. Now when you go back to the pinky, you're just going to curve this around and up for the ring. Add the inside, add a circle in the center. Now let's draw on that vest. From the bow tie, coming down and up. From the center point, come straight down. I'm just going to split this out towards the side, and then tuck that up underneath the hand. Let's add a button on the right side, and one small black dot inside the shirt. Let's follow the curve of the body underneath the arm, going out and then down towards the bottom of the jacket. And we're going to bend this across and then pull that up underneath the hand. Now from the bottom corner of the jacket, we're going to step in, curve the body, coming down and in towards the legs. Let's move to the center, add a curve, going up and then down. In the middle of that curve, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels. Now I want to round out the heels, coming down and then up towards the toes. Let's draw on that first toe. We'll go all the way around and then bend that down. Now we're going to tuck 2 more toes on the outside. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first toe and add 2 more. Let's go back up underneath the body, step over, curve the leg coming in, and then out on top of that first toe. From the top of the toe, we're going to add a curve coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's separate the pant cuff, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mr. Big from Zootopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.